Today the lesson is about two-variable statistics and creating relative frequency tables. These piggyback off the two-way tables that we were learning about before. Take a look at this chart. What do the percentages add up to? Do you know how many people were surveyed? What were the categorical questions asked? This is a frequency table. Now looking at this new chart, you can see that this is a two-way table, and we know that 200 people were surveyed about whether they preferred dogs or cats and whether they live in a rural or urban setting. On the next couple pages, we're going to be referring back to this chart. Looking at the top chart, you can see we have a frequency table. Notice that the four percentages all add up to 100%. This was created by taking each little category, like cat urban, and dividing it by the total number of people, 200. For example, 54 who responded they prefer cats and live in an urban setting, divided by 200 total, gives you 0.27 or 27%. In this second chart down below, we have new percentages. Notice that the percentages for each column, urban and rural, now add up to 100%. This frequency table was calculated differently. They took the cat urban response and divided it by the total of the urban column. For example, 54 people responded cat urban, and if we divide it by the total of 134, we get 0.4 or 40%. Okay, in this last chart, notice that each row adds up to 100%. This means it was created by taking each value and dividing it by the total for the row. For example, 54 divided by 96, which is the total preferring cats, equals 0.56 or 56%. Now what you want to do is try and answer the 7 questions down below. Once you have done, you can look at the PDF on the classroom and see how you did with the answer key. Now take your time and answer and read the questions on this and the next page. When you are done, you can check your answers and see how to do it on the answer key. Now, if you're ready, try this page for some more questions. Answers will once again be on the file. And this last part is the cool down. Great way to check to see if you know what you're doing. Once you try it, check your answers and see the detail in the file. After this, you should just try the homework, which I have also posted. Hope it goes well. We'll talk about it on Wednesday.